Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn between concept from maths. Children, pre-number concept focus on classification on the basis of size and shapes, which helps to discriminate between objects that are either same or different. Now let us see what is between. Children, between means center or middle. Between means center or middle. Here you can see, children. See, this boy, okay? This boy is in between two houses. See, this is one house, this is the another house. And the boy is in between these two houses. He is in the center. He is in the middle of two houses. Right, children? So, between means center or middle. Between means center or middle. This boy is in between two houses. Okay? Now, let us see some examples. Children, here you can see a boy and a girl. Now, what is there in between? In between, there is a school bag. In between, there is a school bag. Yes, children? Yes. Now, here you can see a big ball and here also one ball. Okay? Two balls are there. And in between, there is a boy. Right? Two balls are there and in between, there is a boy. Right, children? Yes. The boy is in between two balls. He is in the middle of two balls. Right, children? Yes. Now, here you can see this is one egg and this is the another egg. What is there in between these two eggs? There is a duckling in between two eggs. You all can see there is a duckling in between these two eggs. Right, children? The duckling is in between two eggs. Now the next one. Here you can see a tree and here another tree. Right, children? There are two trees and in between there is a crow. What is there in between? In between there is a crow. The crow is in between two trees. Yes? Right, children? The crow is in the middle of two trees. Right? Yes. So, between means center. Between means center. Now, here you can see a cat. Right? And here a dog. There is a cat and a dog. Now, what is there in between these two animals? There is a television. Right, children? There is a television. The television is in between the cat and the dog. Right? Now, here you can see a banana and one more banana. There are two bananas. And in between, in the center of these two bananas, what is there? There is an apple. Right. There is an apple in between two bananas. Right, children? Yes. Now, here what you can see? You can see a box and one more box. Two boxes are there. Right? One box here and one box here. And in between, what is there? In between, there is a ball. There are two boxes. And in between these two boxes, there is a ball. The ball is in between two boxes. Now here you can see, children, a table, and here one more table, right? There are two tables, and in between what you all can see? In between there is a mouse, right? Yes, the mouse is in between two tables, right? It is in the center of two tables. So between means center or middle. Now children, here you can see a dog, and here one more dog. There are two dogs, and in between these two dogs, what you all can see? There is a boy in between these two dogs, right children? Yes, he is in between the two dogs, right? Yes, he is in the center of two dogs. Okay children? So children, between means center or middle. Between means center. Between means center. Now, let's do a worksheet. Okay? Now here, what we have to do? Draw something between the two things. Okay? Now, here you can see two things. And in between, there is an empty box. Right? And in that empty box, we have to draw something. So, in between these two objects, we have to draw one object. Okay? Now, let's see what is the first one. Now, what is this, children? This is a tree. This is a tree. And what is this? This is a car. What is this? A car. Now, in this empty box, we need to draw something. Okay? We have to draw an object in between the tree and the car. Now, what shall we draw? Shall we draw a ball? Okay. So, we are going to draw a ball. Now, the ball is in between tree and car. Right, children? There is a car and there is a tree. And in between, there is a ball. Right? Yes. Now, this is a cake. And this is an watermelon. What is this? It's a watermelon. A cake and a watermelon. And in between, we need to draw something. So, what shall we draw? Shall we draw an apple? Okay then. So, we are going to draw an apple. Okay? Yes. Now, an apple is in between the cake and the watermelon. Right? The cake is there and watermelon is there. And in between these two, there is an apple. Right, children? Yes. So, this is between. Between means center. So, children, you all have to practice the topic at home. Okay? Thank you. Bye, children.